Hello, my name is Giorgio Gasparini. In this presentation we are going to discuss how to make an analysis with time comparison as part of the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. Let's see how it works. The reason to create an analysis with time comparison is to discover patterns, profile, trends in data repeated over time. Before you begin, ensure you collect enough data for your relevant application for a period long enough to discover the seasonality, a minimum of twice the length of the seasonality. Set up a base analysis in the standard way. Follow the wizard. Specify the entity filter to include the relevant systems or business drivers, the analysis type, so performance or load versus time, the analysis template, one that includes the metric that you want to analyze, the resolution, for example hourly or daily, the time filter, so long enough as the module of the seasonality you want to study. Before executing the analysis, edit it, and into the time filter section, analysis, choose the comparison setting, so you can compare day over day, week over week, month over month, year over year, or a user-defined period. Let's make a demo and see how this is done. Okay, we are connected to TSCO. Let's create an analysis with this time comparison, time shifting functionality. So let's choose an entity filter, which I created to contain just a vCenter host, performance versus time analysis. Let's use a custom template I just created showing just the host CPU util at hourly resolution, and we choose to show this for the last 30 days. Before executing the analysis, we will edit it in advanced mode, go into the time filter section, and choose to compare the data with the previous week. So our chart will show the standard series and the same series shifted 7 days forward, just to show if there is any repetition or seasonality. And we can see in blue there is the original series, which is missing a few days at the end, and in red the same series shifted up by 7 days. So as you can see, there is some kind of repetition. Okay, here something is happening on this machine which is using more resources, most probably a batch job, or there is a machine that periodically gets stuck using higher CPU in this environment. So in this way we have evidence of something that we should check and that maybe deserves more investigation. Of course, if you have an higher seasonality, you can do the same setting, making a confrontation over month or over year. And also you can choose to show more than one previous week, for example 2 weeks at the same time. So in this case you will have 3 charts, one shifted up 7 days and one shifted up 14 days, showing the same seasonality behavior that we have already verified. And that concludes this module on the BMC TrueSight Capacity Optimization how-to video series. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to you listening to other how-to videos as part of the series in the future. Thanks and have a nice day.